Hello again, and thank you for joining us on our continuation of our new build in Brooksville, Florida. Currently, you can see we're doing the foundation on our concrete slab and driveway. One thing I must say, if I can go back and do this over again, I would have made that concrete slab at least 6 inches higher for the slab part for the garage, because I noticed when it rained I had to go back and seal it up properly to avoid the water from coming in, but it worked after I sealed it up, so that still worked out regardless. Another idea I got from doing this detached garage is I realized it shouldn't be that hard to make a metal garage into a home. If you think about it, really, as long as you do the right insulation and have it sealed up properly, it's a very inexpensive idea to make it a home. It might be something I decide to do in the future. Wait and see, maybe they'll be on one of our future videos. But right here you can see they completed the slab and driveway. And even the cost of this driveway and everything, it didn't turn out to be that much to me. I think it was pretty reasonable. Didn't complain at all. Here's a look of our street. This area in Brooksville was a very quiet area. Here you can see they came in to do the garage setup, and they actually put this up within a couple hours because they came in early in the morning, and by 3 to 4 o'clock they were packing up to go home. I would definitely recommend a detached metal garage to anyone that's thinking about it. Just take a few of those tips I've mentioned so far and make it happen, because they're really not that expensive. I can definitely see me doing that again. Here's our cars again. The size of the garage was 22 feet wide and 25 feet in depth. It fit both of our cars very easily. And I also painted the front door of the garage. I had that done separately. So when they put the garage up, I didn't have a door put on at that time, because I wanted to have another type of door put on by a local vendor. Then our next project we did together, we started staining the fence. That's a walnut color. I think it's a dark walnut if I remember right, but I know it's a color related to the walnut family. That took about, I want to say 2 days or 3 days to get that whole fence done, and we actually ran out of stain and we had to reorder some. It might have took 4 days, I'm thinking about it, but it came out pretty good. Then we started packing everything into our garage. As you can see, that little net we put up. We put a net up to keep stuff out. Well, this is when I took everything out and I decided to paint the flooring, put some epoxy on it. Another one of our projects. Then we started putting everything back into the garage. That's our workout area and my tool bench. You can see the glitter and stuff I put on the floors. A lot of this stuff I'm actually doing for the first time. I had never done this before. It's good to learn to do some of this stuff. Here's our elliptical machine. That's my little handy tool area. You can see a little close up on the floor. That's my car and my wife's car in the back. She had a pretty blue Acura. Now this project, I decided to extend the back staircase because when we opened the door, it took up most of the room of the stairs, and if you have groceries, it made it kind of difficult. So I was taking my measurements of the stair, and I planned to extend it 2 feet more. And as you can see right here, you can see how it's further. It's 2 feet. I extended 2 more feet out, and that was a blessing. You could tell a difference instantly. The next project I'm going to decide to do is I laid some pavers from the stairs to the garage, and I think that came out pretty good. I ended up painting that door in the garage also. I painted that gray to match as well. But the pavers, I think, came out pretty good. There goes our banana trees. We had lots of banana trees, and we really enjoyed them. We had so many bananas, and those were like the small fig bananas. Here's a look at how they ran the plumbing and stuff underneath of the house. That would come in handy again in the future with some of my future projects. Just seeing how they did all this stuff. This concludes the end of our video. Now you must come back to see how we put everything together, and we have a surprise for you on our next video, because we're going to make some very big decisions. Stay tuned. We thank you again for joining us. Come back and see us again soon, and we ask that you please click like, share, and subscribe.